Unfriended Dark Web is a thriller film directed by Stephen Sasko. It follows Matthias O'Brien and his friends who discover that the laptop Matthias found belongs to someone involved in the dark web. The main characters include Matthias, Amaya, Damon, AJ, Lex, Nari, and Serena. The story takes place during a video call as the group realize they are being watched and controlled by dangerous underground organization. The film shows how one wrong online action can lead to serious danger.
Are there any ICT trends discussed in the film? If so, please elaborate.
The film shows ICT trends like video calling, cloud storage, and encrypted messages. The characters use a group video chat to communicate, which is common today. The laptop also contains files stored in cloud folders, showing how online storage works. The criminal use encrypted programs and cryptocurrency to stay anonymous, which are modern technologies used in real life.
Are there any internet threats shown in the film? If yes, please elaborate.
The film includes threats like hacking, privacy invasion, and identity theft. Hackers take over the characters' webcams and accounts, showing how unsafe devices can be if not protected. The dark web also exposes them to dangerous criminals. These threats remind us that online safety is very important.
What are some lessons you learned from this film?
The film teaches us to be careful with our personal information and to secure our devices. It shows why strong passwords and safe online habits matter. Another lesson is to avoid unknown or suspicious websites because they may lead to danger. Most importantly, it reminds us to be responsible when using technology.